Hello, my name is Filip and welcome to today's video where we will talk about pronouns and mugs. I have a favourite mug. Look, it's got Donald the Duck on it. I is the subject in this sentence. It's the person who has the mug. And as a part of speech, I is a pronoun that we use instead of a noun, Filip. So I is a subject pronoun. So subject pronouns are the pronouns that we use as subjects in a sentence. And they are I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Can you see it? This is my favourite mug. Can you see me? I'm here, hidden. In these sentences, the pronoun you is the subject, and it and me are the objects. So me, you, him, her, it, us, you, and them are what we call object pronouns. Like the mug, it is the object you can see. Hey, this is Donald the Duck. His face is on my mug. So this is my favourite mug. I use the word my to talk about possession. It belongs to me. And because the word my is before a noun, it is an adjective. We call it a possessive adjective, and here are all of them. My, your, his, her, its, our, your, their. Now, hey, leave it! That's mine! Stop it! Okay, good. I've got this. This is my second favourite mug. That's my mug, that's mine. The word mine is on its own. And because it's on its own, it's a pronoun. It also expresses possession, and so we call it a possessive pronoun. That's my mug, and that's mine means exactly the same thing, but we don't use another noun or a word after the word mine. It stands on its own and expresses a possession. So we use possessive pronouns instead of nouns as objects, and they express possession. So my becomes mine, your, yours, his, her, hers, its, our, ours, your, yours, their, theirs. It is important to point out that they are pronouns, so we wouldn't use another noun after them. So we wouldn't say, that's my mug. It's just, that's mine. Or, that is my mug. We also don't use the article the in front of them. It's just them, on their own. To ask about possession, we use the question word whose. For example, whose is this mug? That's Tanya's. And whose is this one? That's mine. It's got Donald's face on it. If you want a table with all these subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive adjective, possessive pronouns, you can see a table on your screen now. So either pause the video and copy down, or just take a screenshot. Also, be careful. The word it can either be a possessive adjective when it is before a noun, or a possessive pronoun when it's on its own. It's the same. However, when it's not written together and it uses an apostrophe before s, it is a contraction. It is or it has. So, let's look at some examples. This is me. I have a favourite mug. This is my favourite mug. It's mine. This is Francesco. Can you see him? He has a favourite mug. This is his favourite mug. It's his. This is Tanya. Can you see her? She has a favourite mug too. This is her favourite mug. It's hers. These are Elisa and Stella. Can you see them? They also have favorite mugs. These are their favorite mugs. They are theirs. And this is Rachel. She's standing with us. She doesn't have a favorite mug, but she's our Rachel. She's ours. And Francesco's mug, this one, is magic. Look. Wait. Magic. Is the magic finished yet? Magic! Of course, you can use possessive pronouns to talk about other objects, not just mugs. For example, this is my t-shirt. It's mine. This is my landlady's table. It's hers. And this is Francesco's tea. It's his. So I probably shouldn't drink it. Sorry, Francesco. Now here is a quick pronunciation tip. Possessive pronouns are pronouns, so they stand on their own in a sentence. They usually carry the main meaning in the sentence, and that's why they're often stressed. Now we're going to practice stressing them using 5 sentences. First, listen as I pronounce a sentence. Listen out for the stress. Then repeat. We'll do this for all 5 sentences. Okay? Yes, we travelled in theirs. Leave it, it's not yours. Hey, that's mine. Have you been to ours yet? I can see your mug, but I can't see hers. So, this is a mug. But, bonus fact, did you know that this is also a mug? Apart from being an object that you drink tea from, mug is also a person's face. It's a very slang word, so don't use it too much. But be careful, when someone says you've got an ugly mug, they're not talking about your mug, and it's not a compliment. A mug is also a person who's a little bit stupid. So, wait, what was I talking about? And to mug, as a verb, means to violently attack someone in order to steal from them, especially in a public space. So I could say, I've just been mugged. They've beaten me and stolen my wallet and my phone. It's a horrible thing to happen to anyone, and I just wish everyone had their own mug and could just drink some tea and be nice. Now it's time to check what you have learned. I'm going to ask you 5 questions. At the end of each question, click on the video to pause it, so you have some time to think about and give the answer, and then check it. The answers will be in the description of the video down below. Question 1. What's the difference between a subject pronoun and an object pronoun? Question 2. Can you name all possessive adjectives? Question 3. Can we use a possessive pronoun before a noun? Question 4. What question word do we use to ask about possession? And question number 5. Can you name all possessive pronouns? Also, don't forget to follow the link in the description of the video below, which will take you to some exercises, so you can practice the possessive pronouns that we talked about today. And that's it when it comes to possessive pronouns. If my video was helpful, I would appreciate your thumbs up. Don't forget to click on my mug to subscribe so you know when I release a new video. And while you're here watching me talk about mugs, you might as well check out some of my other grammar videos. That's all from me for now. Enjoy your tea, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.